Blueberry fans, today is for you. I'm making a scrumptious blueberry crumb cake and it is divine. I'm talking sweet tart blueberry mixture smack dab in the middle of a cookie crumb dough baked to perfection. The ingredients are simple and most, if not all, you probably already have on hand. White sugar, baking powder, all-purpose flour, shortening, eggs, salt, a pinch of ground cinnamon, fresh blueberries, and cornstarch. So to get started, preheat the oven to 375 and grease a 9x13 pan. Let's make the dough. In a medium bowl, stir 1 cup of sugar, flour, and the baking powder together. Then take a pastry cutter or fork, either will do, to blend the shortening and the egg into the mixture. Don't be alarmed, the dough will be crumbly, that's what we want. Take half of the dough and pat down in the pan just like so. The other half will go on the top later. Now for the fruit mixture, in another bowl, mix the remaining half cup of sugar and the cornstarch together and gently stir in those blueberries. Simple. Sprinkle it evenly over the crust, followed by crumbling the rest of the dough over the top. We're ready to bake for 45 minutes or until the top is slightly brown. When it's done, cool completely and then cut into squares and serve. These bars are perfect for a quick breakfast with a nice cup of coffee, an anytime snack, or an after dinner dessert. And they're made with the freshest produce around town. Price Chopper. Enjoy, and I will see you all next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.